What does it take to become a professional electrician? It takes understanding electricity. I'm Troy and I'm studying electrical at Job Corps.
Rule number one in electrical is safety.
All right, first things first. You guys never work on anything hot, so we always got to make sure the circuit's off.
It's all about building skills. We learn circuits, we learn wiring. One skill builds on another skill. There's always going to be jobs in electrical. Think about it. Your kitchen, your computer, everything runs off electricity. You could work in maintenance or you could wire a whole building from scratch. At Job Corps, they teach you those skills. Skills that will help you build a career. After this, I'm going to join an apprenticeship. It starts with understanding electricity and ends with a great career.